Have you ever wondered why hiccups suddenly start? Most people think they're just a random reaction, but there's actually a reason behind that annoying hic. So what's really happening? I'll show you. But first, if you're on the side of the angels, make sure to like the video and subscribe. And if not, then maybe you're cheering for the demon. Share this video to show your support for the angels, and leave a heart in the comments if you're Team Angel. A hiccup begins when your diaphragm suddenly contracts, pulling air into your lungs. Then, your vocal cords quickly snap shut, creating the familiar sound. Eating too fast, drinking fizzy beverages, or sudden excitement can all trigger hiccups. So next time you get them, remember, your diaphragm is behind the whole thing.